In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to disable Microsoft Sign In on Windows 11 computer. Right click on Start menu, click on Settings. In left menu pane, click on Accounts and then click on Your Info. Make sure you have signed in with local account administrator. Close Settings, go to Search. In Search type Services, click on Services, scroll down. Here you will find a service, Microsoft Account Sign-in Assistant, and the service is enabled and running. Right click on the service and click on Properties. In Service Status, click on Stop, and in Service Type, select Disabled, then click on Apply, click on OK. Close Services window. Now, second step, go to Search. In Search type GPEdit, click on Edit Group Policy. Under Computer Configuration, expand Windows Settings, then expand Security Settings, expand Local Policies, then click on Security Options. Here you will find a setting, Accounts Block Microsoft Account, and now the setting is not configured. Right click on the policy setting, click on Properties, click on the drop down menu and select User can't add or log on with Microsoft account. Now click on Apply and then click on OK. The policy setting is enabled with User can't add or log on with Microsoft account. Close Group Policy Editor. Right click on Start menu. Click on Run. In Run type GP update /force. Click on OK. Updating the policy. That's it. This is the easiest way to disable Microsoft Sign In on Windows 11 computer.